Hello, welcome to another episode. In this episode, we're going to be doing wood cutting and mining. So let's go ahead and create a new script. Let's call it... Wow, that did not go to plan. Let's delete that. Right click, create C# script, and we'll call it resource. Then let's go ahead and go create cube. Let's call this tree base. Duplicate it, child that. Call it tree top. I'm going to bring this down and widen it. Let's make that even bigger. There's one fine looking tree. Let's assign the green material to this. Right click in the project tab, create new material, call it brown. Then we've got ourselves a tree. So in the tree base, we're going to assign our resource script, a new tag, call it tree, assign the tag, let's go to our resource script, let's go public, go object, resource prefab, the public void tapped. Let's go resource prefab dot. A little bit of lag, it's all good. We'll go instantiate resource prefab. Let's go public transform prefab spawn. To instantiate resource prefab spawn dot position, prefab spawn dot rotation, and we'll leave it at that. Then let's go destroy game object. Alright, now let's go to paint, go file new, sort of looks interesting, but it will do. Let's go ahead and color that, and color this, and we'll call these, just call this wood. So open this with GIMP. Go file, layer, transparency, add our channel, delete the alpha, and we'll export it as wood sprite. So we're going to use just a cube with our wood texture on it for our wood, but feel free to use an actual bit of wood. Just stream metal off the internet, should do fine. Alright, let's go ahead and get our wood sprite, make it a sprite UD. Right. Alright, where to from here? Let's go game object, 3D object, cube, assign our wood texture. Let's add a rigid body to it. We'll call this wood item. Right, let's duplicate that. Call this prefab spawn. Click the rigid body and box collider in the mesh renderer and the mesh filter. The parent to the tree base, we're going to apply the prefab spawn with our wood item. Let's go ahead and add an item script to it. Does it automatically assign the player? Yeah. Yes, it does. Alright, so now we need to add our items. Let's go item sprites, make that 7. Let's add our wood sprite. Typically that's all you have to do, so let's go ahead and go to our wood item. Item ID 7, was it? It was 7? No, it was 6. Counts always check. I think available goes true at start. Yep. So that's all we really need to do, except we need to go component. That will copy and paste. Copy component, paste component is new. And make this go to say 4. Turn that to in trigger. Alright, see if we can pick it up. God damn. Getting fed, but we can't die yet, can we? Cursor wasn't locked. Right, let's try to pick this up. And we can. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Alright. This goes onto our resource. So we're going to make our wood item a prefab. We're going to just assign the prefab to here. We're going to open our weapon script and we're going to make 2 new bools. Polybool axe. Polybool pickaxe. We're going to go if axe. We're going to go if hit dot collider dot tag equals tree, and hit dot collider dot get component resource dot tapped. Got that out of the way. Click play. Actually, first, go main camera equipment, walk one items. On axe, we're going to go axe equals true. Pickaxe, we're going to go pickaxe equals true. Alright, let's do it. Oh, no, you don't. Good fight. And that is wood cutting done, I believe. Yeah, looks about right. So let's go ahead and go game object, 3D object, cube. Call this rock. You can add a new tag, so we'll call it rock. Assign the tag. It's a resource thing on it. Going to control D on this. Remove the collider, remove the mesh renderer, remove the filter, remove the resource script. We'll call this resource spawn. Assign that on the resource script. Alright, let's go into paint. File, new. That'll do, just saying rough. Go rock. Open with GIMP. Add alpha channel. Delete the background with the magic wand. File, export. Rock sprite. Export. Copy that. Assets, Shine Explorer, assets. Paste it in. So we'll duplicate our rock. Bring the size down a bit. Assign the texture. Put the resource spawn. Rock. Item. Delete the resource. Copy and paste the trigger collider. Make sure his trigger is on. Add the item script. So let's go to our player. Item sprites. Let's go to a rock sprite, make it a sprite. Make this 8. And the rock sprites, that's element 7. So we'll go ahead and change the item ID to 7. Alright, let's see if we can collect it. You die. And now we can collect rock. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's add mining. Let's go ahead and go to our rock. Nope, let's open our weapon script. We'll go if pickaxe collider.tag equals rock, and it's tapped. Let's go ahead and get our rock item, drag it into here, make a prefab. We can delete the item, come to our rock, assign the resource prefab, and let's see if we can mine it. And that's mining done. Gorgeous. Right, it's pickaxe, not an axe. What happened there? Let's get to the bottom of that error. Target game object has been destroyed, but you're still trying to access your scripture check in the null destroyed object. Right, we gotta assign the wood item to there. And let's give that another go. You die. Mine you. Try and mine that with a pickaxe, not gonna work. Let's get an axe. Just found another glitch, should probably fix that. You pick up item, and we can pick up the logs. What was that glitch? Not really a glitch, just part of the functionality. It's all good. And that is how you add wood cutting and mining. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Hope you got something from it. I shall see you in the next episode. Bye.